Hello all. Today in this video I'm going to provide the next video series regarding basic operators and casting in Python. So first we can see the arithmetic operators. So the arithmetic operators in Python include addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, modulus and exponentiation. So for that we are declaring two variables like a and b. We are just giving them integers. So the details are like what is integers you can see in the next previous video. So it is given like it is what is integers. So integers means it is just the real numbers, natural numbers and all, it come in the under integers only. So with first we are making addition operation by using plus, then subtraction by using minus, multiplication by star, division by adding a slash, and for 4 division double slash we are adding, and for modulus we are giving the percentage with for simple, then for exponentiation double star. So then we are printing the values for addition by using this variables. Addition, it will then it's common. Addition means 10 plus 5 15, then 10 minus 5 it is 5, then subtraction, likewise every operations will be done. So this is the output you may see. Then we are going to see about this and all arithmetic operators, then relational operators, which is equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. That is the same integers value only we have taken within the x variable and y variable, and for equal to we are just giving double equal to button, then for not equal to, an exclamatory mark followed by equal to button, greater than as usual, greater than, less than is less than, then for greater than or equal to is greater than and an equal to button, for less than we are giving less than or equal to, then we are giving the values. For example, you can change the values also. For example, here I am giving 15 and now here we can just change it as 50. So now it has come like for is equal false. So the condition is coming whether it is false or true or and all. So now everything will collapse. If you see means first is false, second one is true, third one is also true, fourth one is false. So but now it will collapse. Reason I have given the y as greater number and x as lower number. So now you may notice that everything has collapsed due to, since we have changed its values. So likewise you can just also change and check. So this is relational operator. So now today we have seen about addition, arithmetic operators and relational operators. So next we are going to see about logical operators, whether it is true or false. Relational operators also, the output will be true or false also only, and in logical operators also it will be true or false only. Logical operators include the operators like and, or, not and all. So and true false, like there will be a condition no in, and true false means what it is, like that it will come over here. So here also you can just change it. For and we give false means it will be false only, and or also false means it will be false only. Not false means it is not a, that is it will come like true. So we can just check it. So now you may note the difference. So based upon the arithmetic operators rules, you would have studied some logical rules. No, that output only will be displayed over here in logical operators. Now we can just see typecasting. That is one, we will be declared a data type in float and we have to convert them into integer. Means for that we can use this. So first we have called an integer as float, which is 5.7. Then we are going to convert it into integer. For that we are making as integer asset now, and we are going to print it output. Now you may notice that the output is 5. I am just giving it as 6.7. In that case, if I am running means it will be like 6. So this is the typecasting. Likewise we can convert string to float. So whatever data types you can just convert. So in the next video we will be seeing some other basic Python code. Thank you.